Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, open Photos and tap Albums, then Recently Deleted. This is where removed images live for 30 days. Once here, scan quickly to find the photos you want gone. Make sure iCloud Photos is on in Settings right arrow Photos so deletions sync across devices. Otherwise, you must remove locally and on each device. If you see Recover and Delete, tap Delete to remove immediately. These first actions remove the hold that keeps deleted photos around. Now select and remove permanently. Tap Select, pick each image or swipe to choose many, then tap Delete and confirm Delete X photos. This bypasses the 30-day recovery. Once done, iCloud will mark them removed. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is connected so the deletion syncs. If you have hidden albums or shared albums, check them too because copies may exist elsewhere. After deletion, empty the recently deleted list again to ensure files are unrecoverable from the phone. Finish by confirming recently deleted is empty. Open it and tap Delete all if visible. If images reappear, force a sync. Toggle iCloud Photos off, wait, then turn it on. This refreshes the library. Make sure you have a backup before toggling in case you need to restore. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or remove duplicates from any linked Mac or iPad. These steps resolve most sync glitches. Keep calm and follow them step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.